Hey guys, come to Blizzard Beach with us. We are heading to our first slide. The time is currently 1:03. We're going to try to do all the slides, but we'll see. We also want to do the wave pool, so we'll take you guys with us. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Three, two, one. I can. Oh, this is Summit Plummet will probably be our last slide because the clouds are like really dark. But we did a lot of slides, and then we also went in the kiddie area and did the zip line. But after this, I think we're gonna head out. Oh my god! Okay guys, that was our last slide, so we're gonna be heading out. Bye!